So check it out. We got this PRL stage 1 intake silicone pipe, and it came with these hose clamps. I got this on OfferUp. It was $40, and on the website it almost comes out to $70 just for this with shipping and taxes. So I got a steal on this. I couldn't pass it up. So yeah, we're gonna be taking off this stock one, and all you need to do to take this one off is these Phillips heads. So it's just gonna be two of them, this one and that one. And it's a really small Phillips head, and you might strip it if you use a big one. So just make sure you use the right one. We're busting out the big guns. This is a 7 and 32 socket, because I accidentally stripped this bolt. So here we go. And there it is, and used on the package. Yeah, this is the comparison. This one is obviously restricting the airflow a bit because of the ridges, and this one is just straight through. So hopefully it gets more airflow and it sounds cooler. Alright, so originally I was only going to install this PRL intake stage 1, but it wasn't loud enough for me, so I ended up getting this K&N filter, drop-in filter. This is the part number right here if you're looking to get it. I got it on Amazon for, I think it was like 40 something. It was on sale, and Amazon Prime shipped the next day. So we're gonna be removing the stock one. I already replaced the stock one in here in this air box. I replaced it, and it's been in the car for maybe 10,000 miles. So we'll see right now how dirty it looks. All right, I ended up loosening the screws on this because it's like super on there. So we're just gonna take this thing off here. Put that out of the way. And now this should come off easily. There it is. That's how dirty it is after about 10,000 miles. All right, here's a new one. Open it up. Comes with some stickers. I'm probably not gonna put these on. And here is the filter. So let's go ahead and take this out. There it is. Already pre-oiled. So all we have to do is just drop it in. There's no real way of putting this one in. I don't think it matters because there's no tab, which is weird, because on the PRL one, there is a tab, but on this one I guess there's no tab. But just to be sure, the old one was like this. There's this tab right here that I was talking about. So I'm pretty sure whichever way you put it in, it'll fit, but I'm just gonna put it in how the lines are on the OEM filter. So just facing you, the lines this way. Should be fine. Yeah, it drops right in. And then you just clip these clips back in. And now we can put our intake back on. All right, so there it is, guys. The drop-in filter from K&N is installed with the stage 1 PRL silicone intake. So we're gonna start it up, get some shots from the inside of the car and from the outside so you can hear what it sounds while you're driving. So it's been a couple days later since I installed this new PRL stage 1 intake with the drop-in filter, and I was on OfferUp looking for a strut brace, specifically PRL, and I ended up finding this one. It's used, but I got it for $150. Nothing wrong with it. This is actually from an FK8, the Type R, and it actually does bolt up to this 11th gen. Somehow, I don't know, 2 different gens, but it bolts up. I looked it up on PRL, and I also mocked it up. It should bolt up just fine. It's pretty straightforward. It's just going to be 3 nuts on each side. It's going to be 14 mils. And then I think all we have to do is zip tie this line so it doesn't rub on the strut bar. Just right there. We're going to zip tie it pretty loosely so it's not getting damaged in any way. So I got my torque wrench right here, and each one is between 53 and 55. So I'm just gonna do 55. So this rubber piece is removable, so you can just slide it back in. So now that we got it bolted up, all we have to do is zip tie this line down so it's not hitting the strut brace. So just a basic zip tie here, and then just grab your pliers and snip the line, the zip tie. And there it is, guys, finished product. It looks super clean. I honestly like this strut brace better than like anything on the market because it's super clean, nothing crazy, no flashy colors, and it just matches the engine bay pretty good. PRL intake and PRL strut brace. Probably gonna do a PRL rear engine mount coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed those sound clips of the new stage 1 PRL intake. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.